So hi dear Aquarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 5th of May for those who are completely in no contact and wants to know what's going on the other side. Okay, and the roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video. Thank you so much for being part of my 100k family, and today we just hit the mark, right? So I'm just so glad and happy. And if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. It's pre-recorded course. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. It's super easy to understand. It has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want personal one-on-one healing sessions or personal reading, you can mail me for the same. Everything is given in the description box. Okay, so let's start, Aquarius. The person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Lovers, and the Seven of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Wands. Now this person is kind of having mixed emotions for you, mixed emotions for the situation. This person feels like taking a stand for themselves. When it comes to this brand new beginning in this situation, they feel like they should take a stand for the situation, for themselves, not the situation, I'm sorry. So according to them, even if you're going to go towards them with this kind of offer of, okay, let's start again from scratch and let's win a connection again and let's do it again, they are quite defensive in this energy. They are like, no, not happening. I don't think it is ever going to happen. It's too burdensome, it's too heavy, it's too stressful to start all over again. And this person is feeling like this is the end of this chapter, but they feel like finishing the unfinished business with you in some way, shape or form. Now, what I'm getting from this energy is that although this is over, although you guys are not together anymore, this person still thinks about you from time to time in this way of, okay, if this is over, this is done, but still we have some kind of unfinished business in the situation that we should definitely finish. This is what this person is feeling. And when it comes to this idea of bringing this connection together, idea of bringing something together again, they are quite in this energy of no, sorry, too stressful, too much pain, too much work, no. But they do have this energy attached to you still, codes attached to you still. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Aquarius? This card literally jumped. Wheel of Fortune in reverse, the Hermit, and the Judgment card. Okay, all of these cards are shouting at me, screaming at me and telling me that this person wants to let it go. Forgive and forget whatever happened. They don't even see this kind of spark, this kind of positivity, or this kind of, you can say, hope in this connection to become something in the coming future as well. So that is why this person is in this energy of, okay, letting it go completely out of their life, out of their system, slowly but surely. This person is still energetically stuck on this situation, stuck on this connection, and they know that this is not going to happen again in this lifetime with you. That is why they are trying to let it go slowly but surely with compassionate kind of energy. They want to forgive and forget whatever happened between you and them. They want to forgive you, they want to forgive themselves, they want to let it go out of their life, out of their system, very with a very kind heart, with a very compassionate kind of energy, and with this energy of, okay, finally I have to let it go. It's time to just let it go. Yes, so right now I think this person is in this energy of, they are going to entertain only those kind of energies, only those kind of connection or people in their life who is going to bring the stability and happiness in their life, who is going to bring the that commitment kind of energy in their life. Nothing less than commitment is going to work for them anymore, according to them. So, and with you it's not happening, so they are just trying to let it go. So yep. I think this person was quite a hard nut to crack when you guys were together, and now they are also learning it, that they have some flaws, they have something in them that makes them feel blocked towards other energies, or that makes other energies blocked towards them, like not fully not being able to fully open up, not being able to be vulnerable in front of other person. Now this person is learning and trying to let it go. So Okay. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 5th of May, Aquarius. Aquarius. We have the 6 of Cups, 8 of Cups, and the World card. This person is letting it go. No matter how hard it is for them to let it go, this person is letting it go. Even though this person still cares about you, they still feel a connection with you from time to time. They still miss you from time to time, but they are considering this as the end of this chapter, end of this situation, and they are saying goodbye to it. I don't know if it is permanent or whatever, but they are putting an end to this situation, trying to finish the unfinished business within themselves, trying to get the proper closure within themselves. They don't even need you in that closure. They are like, okay, I have done everything possible from my side. I did the healing, I did the nurturing and caring and everything, and now it's time for me to say goodbye. So yeah. So someone is healing, someone is letting it go, praying for some kind of strength. And Aquarius, it might hurt you, but this person is kind of doing the right thing here. According to the energies, according to what they are showing me, they are doing the right thing here. Because if they don't see any future here, they don't see that it is ever going to work out. It's quite a mature decision. It's quite a healthy decision to let it go. The guidance for you guys is the Knight of Wands. Okay, so because you might be hurt because of whatever happened in your relationship area in the past few days or your past few months. You might be trying your best to be as happy as you can, explore other options, explore other areas of your life and be happy. Got it. Just do that. By all means, just do that. But do it only if it gives you happiness. Don't do it just for the sake of, passing your time or distracting yourself and doing things that you don't even like doing because just for the sake of keeping yourself busy, just for the sake of showing it off to others that, yeah, I am doing fine, I'm completely happy, I'm this, I'm that. Basically, the moral of the story is take life one day at a time. If you are feeling like grieving and mourning, and if you are feeling like you are not happy from inside, you are still suffering, you are still going through some kind of pain, please heal it properly. Showing it off to others is not going to work out at all. Showing it off to yourself is going to work out. So if you yourself is not happy with yourself, it's high time to go inside and understand what makes you truly happy and makes you feel at peace, right? So do that thing, not this thing, right? But by all means, if it is giving you happiness, just do that. But with your passion, please keep your sanity also, in balance. That's what I have. I haven't slept even a single minute the last night. I was getting calls over calls, mails over mails, video calls over video calls, and now I'm like, okay, I have to do this. Yeah. So anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in with me. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste, and thank you once again for being a part of my family. Thank you.